multiplication sums. Now I am explaining to you in this video the division sums, as the division sums are given in this chapter, table and shares. So we are solving the division sums in this video. But before starting anything, first of all you should know the definition of the division. What is called division? So the division is the distribution of group of particular things, right? Means we are dividing some parts, some equal parts into same parts. Means we are dividing one whole group into equal parts. That is called division. In another words, we can say that division is the inverse of multiplication, right? As we are knowing that in multiplication, the numbers, the things are increasing. That means we are doing in that addition, right? But in the division sums, the things are distributing into equal parts. So whenever we will do the division sums, in that subtraction we have to do. So as the sums are given in your workbook of one digit, so let's start it first. Division sums. First I am taking one digit sums. (96) divided by 3. This is simple sum of division which already you have learned in grade 3, right? 96 divided by 3. In some books the sums are given in this manner, in this format. 96, the sign of division, and 3. 96 divided by 3. So you have to write in this way first. 96 divided by 3. So firstly, for the division sums, you should learn the table, right? First, this is called divisor. Which number which we are dividing, that is called divisor. Now first we are starting to split the table, but first 3 is given. With 3 we are dividing. So we have to take only first digit, which is 9, because in table of 3 9 is coming, that is 3 3s are 9. Now here we are doing subtraction. 9 minus 9, 0. 6 we are putting down. Now when 6 is coming in table of 3, 3 2s are 6. So 6 minus 6, 0, 0. So this is your division sum, and 32 is your answer. It is very simple. 96 we have to divide with the table of 3, which is one digit table, and 3 3s are 9. 9 minus 9 is 0, 0. 6 we are putting down, and 6 3 2s are 6, and 6 minus 6, 0, 0. Let's take another example. Sorry, 90 divided 6. See, check the first digit, which is 9, right? So in table of 6, the 9 is not coming, but whenever you will speak the table of 6, so we have to take the small digit rather than this 9. So in table of 6, if I am writing the table of 6, 6 1s are 6 and 6 2s are 12. So you can check if we are taking first digit 9. So from the table of 6, 6 2s are we can't take. So obviously we have to take this 6 1s are 6. So 6 1s are 6. Now subtraction we have to do. Don't forget to put this sign of subtraction. 9 minus 6, 3. Remaining digit, which is 0, we are putting down. So 30 we are getting. Now 30 in the table of 6, when it is coming, 6 5s are 30. So 30 minus 30, 0, 0. So 15 we are getting as the answer, right? In the division sums, some factors, some words are there that you have to remember. with which digit we are dividing, that is called divisor. Means here in this sum, this 6 is divisor. To which digit we are multiplying, that is 90, that is called dividend. That is called dividend. Which answer we are getting, means if here in the sum I am talking about this answer which is 15. So this 15 is called quotient. And whichever numbers we are getting downside, means which numbers are remaining, that is called remainder. So this words you have to remember, as we have learned in the multiplication. In multiplication also these 3 words we are using, that is multiplicator, multiplicand and the product. Same like that manner here in the division sums, these words you have. Now let's take the another examples of division sums. 555 divided by 5. 3 digit by 1 digit. 3 digits are given and we are dividing this 3 digit with 1 digit. So here we have to follow the table of 5. 3 5 is given. So it is very simple and easy sum. 5 ones are 5 will come. 5 minus 5 0 0. See, you can able to see we are dividing this 555. Now this another 5 we have to keep down. So second time we are writing 5 ones are 5. 5 minus 5 0 and this 0 you can keep here copy, right? Now again third 5 we have to keep down and 5 ones are 5. So 5 minus 5 0, this 0 you can copy here. So we can say in this sum we are getting answer, means quotient. Quotient we are mentioning like with the first letter, that is Q, 111, right? And remainder we are having 0 0. So here in this sum 5 is divisor, 555 is dividend, 111 is your quotient, means your answer, and the 0 is your remainder. Now let's take the another example. 605 divided by 5. So you can able to see the first digit is 6. So 6 is bigger than the 5 because table of 5 is given and 6 is given inside the first digit. So we can use the table of 5, means we can use here one digit only. So 5 ones are 5 and 6 minus 5 1. So here the 1 is remaining, but next digit we have to keep copy down, that is 0. So 10. Now 10 when it is coming in table of 5, 5 twos are. So 5 twos are 10 and 10 minus 10 0 0. Last digit which is remaining 5, that we are copying down. Only 5 is remaining now. So in table of 5 we can speak 5 ones are 5. So 5 ones are 5. Here we have completed the sum in these 3 steps like this. Now let's take the another sum. 520 divided with 4. So first digit is 5, which is big than this 4. So you can take this 4 ones are 4 and 5 minus 4, 1 is remaining. Now keep down this 2. So we are getting 12. So 12 is coming in table of 4, right? When it is coming, 4 threes are. So 4 threes are 12. And 12 minus 12, 0 0. This 0 you can keep down. So you can speak like this, that 4 zeros are 0 and 0. Same we are copying it, because 0 minus 0, 0, because there is no any value of 0. So like this you can do the division sum, or like 3 digit divided by 1 digit. Now let's take another sum. Divided by 3. So 3 digits are there. 639. First digit is 6. So it is coming in table of 3. So easily you can put 3 2s are 6. And 6 minus 6, 0. Again, next digit you have to keep down. That is 3. So 3 1s are 3. 3 minus 3, 0. 9 you have to copy down. When 9 is coming in table of 3, 3 3s are. So like this you can do the 1 digit division sum. And answer we are getting 230, which is your quotient. Now 627 divided with 3. See, first digit is 6. So easily you can take 3 2s are 6. Now 2 I am copying down. Now you can observe in this sum that as we have copied this down, copied this to this downside, so 3 is big digit than this 2. Means in table of 3, and here the 2 is given. So 2 and 3. 3 is big digit, right? So we can't run this sum after. So we have to copy down this 7 also. That means we can say that 2 digit together we are copying down. So in the division sum, when you are copying down 2 digit together, so at that time you have to put the 0 in place of quotient for the rule. This you have to remember. Again I am repeating. When you are copying down 2 digit together, at that time you have to put 0 in the place of quotient for the rule. Now you can run the sum. 27, when it is coming in table of 3, 3 9s are 27. So 27 minus 27, 0, 0. So this is your 1 digit division sums. I hope that all you have understood this 1 digit division sums very well. Thank you. Have a nice day.